Okay guys, today video is going to be hyper tough 3-gallon compressor, air compressor. So unboxing for the first time. Let's see, we have the manual right here, and this is very light, and which I buy from Walmart. So this is the kits, it comes with it. Alright, there it is. So what's there? Alright. This is very good that it comes with it. So there's a switch, and it's very good actually. Alright, there's a gauze there, and it's awesome. So every kit I want, so which is good. Yeah. We'll see how it works. So I bought it for the first time, and yeah, I will maybe show you in different video that how it works. So maybe we can try it now, I don't know. See it? All right, let me see, how can I take it out this here. And okay, it comes with it. Alright, you can use this for the bicycle here, and that one too, and this is for the pipe that connects the hose. This is very good. And it cost only $58 in Walmart, so which is very good price. And it's very light, not too heavy. It's just 3-gallon, and then yeah. Yeah, just 100 maximum psi. So working pressure 100 max psi, and air delivery flow rate is 0.7 cmf, so 40 psi. That means at 0.5 cfm, 90 psi, and motor, like, you can adjust it with this one. So this is very good. I like it so far. So yeah. Yeah, this is the connector, like we can connect it here. So it's very easy to connect. Just do like this and then just put it there. That's it. And then you can connect those things there. That's it. Right here. Then undo it. You can use this one to clean up. Use this knob, and then you can use it this. So it's very easy to use it. Yeah, just clean up and everything. So, and then there is this one for the soccer ball, and for bicycle air pressure, to put the air in. So you can use that one. So here it is. All right, that's it. All right, thanks guys, see you again next time. All right.